Ladies and gentlemen.
Now hold on, before I get into any of this, you can clearly see the Santa hat is back with a bang. Why? Because we made green. Christmas came early. Today was wins, yesterday was wins, the whole week was wins. Plenty of gains on gains on gains, so everybody ate. I had almost a 5-figure week. The start to March has been ridiculous. But we've got to make sure we text Santa because Christmas came early and we want to continue eating. So make sure you text Santa. What's going on, people? Back with a bang. Here I am again to bring you guys another weekly recap video. So today was eventful. But not only today, this week was eventful. We made money on money on money on bags. We traded so many different stocks from different sectors, to the upside, to the downside, shares, everything. So it was a jam-packed week, and here I am to review everything. Now today, I got to pull up Yahoo Finance straight away. I mean, originally, before today happened, I was planning on starting this video with crypto talk, talking about Shiba, Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, spot ETF, those kind of things. But after the day today was, we have to talk about the stocks. So here we go. Last night, Broadcom reported earnings. They had their worst slump since 2020 as chip sales have slowed down, even though they actually reported good AI news. Very strange. Nvidia has its biggest drop since May, and when you see how it happened, you're going to be impressed. Obviously, it says stocks rally stalls after jobs reports. So we had NFP non-farm payroll this morning. And yeah, of course, as I said, Bitcoin is still going strong. So where are we right now? We're going to start with Nvidia. And I got to pull up the chart. In fact, let's go to TradingView. Also, you can see Tesla down at 175. We're going to cover it all, okay? Tesla. We're going to start with Nvidia. This is why I love trading reversals. So Nvidia started the day at 950, ran up to heights of 972. And before you knew it, down 100 points. So that's its worst day since since May last year, so May 2023, and we actually traded AMD. AMD ended the day at 207. Okay, we'll get into that in a minute, but yeah, this is the thing with these stocks, right? So big tech had a great week. In theory, they had a great week. You know, if you put up the daily chart and look how it panned out this week, there you go. We just continued rising, and then Friday today, boom, just huge drop. AMD, similar story, great week and then drop. SMCI, similar story, great week and then dropped. Just one red day there you see before today. AVGO was going pretty good and then today just tanked. $100 drop as well. So like I said, this is why I love trading reversals, because AMD, we took the puts today. We took the puts after the stock started rapidly reversing. And the reason I love trading reversals is because you see, 7, 8 strong green candles before it started to sell off. Once it sold off, broke below the moving averages, tried to test the moving average, just continue selling off. When you see this kind of trade, you have to take it. It's very obvious, it's very open and very bait, let's say, and you've got to take it. Now, with big tech pumping up so well recently, Nvidia's up to, 200, 300% gains year to date. With those kind of things happening, there are going to be pullbacks. There are going to be major pullbacks. And this one was, I won't say expected in this manner, but there was going to be a pullback sooner or later. So it's no need to panic. Is it bubble trouble? Not really. But what I will tell you is, if you look at the daily chart now, in comparison to maybe 24 hours ago, you will see that there's still room to drop another $20, $30 before maybe holding at the moving average. That's the daily chart. 4-hour chart, it's a little bit more ugly. Let's see what happens if we hold here or if we break below and continue dropping another 30, 40, maybe even $60. I'm intrigued to know, but the most important thing today was we made money off AMD. The puts went crazy. To be honest, the puts I originally took might have ended the day around maybe 1,000%. We'll have to go check that one and let you guys know. But honestly, great call outs, in the group today. Devon, shout out Oscar, shout out Bob, showing off everybody, J Money. We made our money. And I think, when you look at a stock like Tesla this week, we traded this 3 or 4 days out of the 5. Very clear trend, right? So last Friday was up at 200. This week it's been straight bearish. Even broke below my level of support, came back above, and just continued selling off. Now, I wrote a tweet yesterday. When people are being fearful and people are scared, this is when I'm going to choose to be greedy. I have a plan with Tesla. to buy a lot of shares. Tesla has not been this low since, I want to say, 2022, I believe. In fact, I can just look at the chart, check it out. I believe it's not been this low since 2022. Okay, May 2023, fair enough, last year, 2023. Still, that's almost a year. It's not been this low in almost a year. This is the kind of time when I'm looking to try and buy. This is the kind of zone I'm looking to try and buy. I've got my trend line here. I've had my trend line drawn out for a while. If we get down to that 170 price point, best believe I'm loading up on shares. I'm already planning to dollar cost average no matter what happens going into next week. But I'm liking Tesla right now. I'm liking this bearish action. I like that we traded it to the downside like 5 times this week, and we just slapped it on the head, kept slapping it. You know, when you see like somebody with a new fresh cut and you just slap the back of their neck, that's what we did with Tesla. Just kept slapping it all the way from 200 all the way down to 180, and now we're at 175. Great work there. Shout out to the team. It's the lowest it's been since May. And honestly, if you look at Apple's another one. I just entered Apple calls now for 3 weeks out. Apple was actually at the lowest it's been since October. Another stock, if you like long-term shares, and you should as an investor. Yep, see, we should be looking to grab up Apple shares. Apple's been really bearish recently. Apple's just been selling off. Anything under 170, you know, these yellow lines of support I have, anything at those levels, that's buying territory. That's buy up territory. That's I want to, you know, make money long-term territory. Again, it's not been this low since October, so just make sure you check that one out. And then I want to touch on Exxon because we traded Exxon today, also yesterday and the day before actually. We traded this to the upside. Pretty simple trade. We finally got the breakout I've been talking about recently. If you look at the daily chart, you just see it's very clearly bullish. Just continuing to push, break above different levels. 4-hour chart shows the exact same thing. It is not difficult. This has not been difficult. Tuesday, we were down at 104. We broke past the 104.85, that very strong resistance point, and just continued uptrending. I was in the $106 calls and then $107 calls. Yeah, this was easy. This was part of my 1.9K today. Exxon has still got plenty of room to run. You can see the levels right there. And if not, then go and chart it and you guys can do the rest yourself. Now, I do want to touch on crypto because, like I said earlier, crypto was important. I'm going to go here for crypto actually. Back to Yahoo Finance. Yeah, the market's really died today. It's kind of nice to see that as well because you can make good money on puts in those kind of times. So this is Bitcoin. And if you guys did not know, Bitcoin hit all-time highs. Where are we? Here we go. 69,646. That is the new all-time highs. We hit that today. So today history was made, right? So what did that mean? Well, for a stock like Coinbase, that meant it rallied. At the same time though, there you go, you see it rallied, up 5% today. Coinbase was literally at $215 earlier this week. It is now at $257. That's what I'm saying. When Bitcoin rallies, stocks like Coinbase are going to rally. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out is because Bitcoin also, when it hits those highs, it also does pull back. Look, we hit the highs, nasty pullback, nasty sell-off. We dropped like 7,000 or 8,000 Monday. I remember this because my crypto portfolio just suddenly died and I'm like, what's going on? A lot of coins just started to sell off. So we're back up at those highs, but expect another sell-off before we push higher. Same with Ethereum. You'll see, look, when Bitcoin hits the highs and sells off, a lot of different cryptos just sell off at the same time. It happened with Solana as well. Meme coins is a bit different. Altcoins is a bit different. But yeah, you completely understand what I'm talking about here. When cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they reach their highs, you're going to see heavy sell-offs. People taking profit, people covering their position, people just trying to get out and secure what they have because obviously if we're at all-time highs, pretty much everybody is in profit at that point. So yeah, it's nothing crazy, but yeah, just to put down your radar, make sure you guys check out Coinbase as I said. But honestly guys, if you are into crypto, you should be looking at stuff like Shiba, Dogecoin, what's happening right now. Those are really making a statement. Shiba up 11% today. If you look at where it was a week ago compared to now, we're at 4 zeros and 15 a week ago. We're now at 4 zeros and 35. it is just running riot. Same with Bonk, same with Pepe. Pepe has been on the tear recently. Luckily, I scooped up some Pepe last weekend. Pepe was 6 zeros and 36 cents last week. Now it is at 6 zeros and 92 cents. We're about to remove another zero. Pepe is another one you want to keep on your radar. I put that in the group as well many times in the Discord. Again, if you're not in the Discord, come and check out the Discord. I put that in the Discord many times. I've said Pepe, Mong, Bonk, Shiba, Doge. These are some of the altcoins I'm in. And I think, you know, if you're new to crypto, a couple $100 there will not hurt you. If you're willing to buy and hold and stomach the ups and downs, a couple $100 there will not hurt you. Stuff like Pepe's got more in the tank. You'll be surprised. You look at the daily chart on a coin like this and you think, oh, this is horrible. You know, I've missed the run up. Stuff like this has more in the tank. I guarantee you that. Same with Doge. I'll just touch on Doge briefly because we were talking about this in the Discord. So with Doge, right, we pushed up to 20 cents, wicked off and came back down. The next test is going to be 20. When we break that 20, I'm really expecting a run to around 26, maybe 27 cents. And then eventually back up to that 31 cents level. So yeah, somewhere here. So I'm expecting us to hit that 26, 27 level. And then push it back up to 30, 31 soon enough. Might happen over the next couple months, might happen sometime later this year, but I am fully expecting that. Now, like I said, just want to say, in regards to some stocks that reported earnings this week, Marvell reported earnings yesterday and it was underwhelming. And guess what? It's down 12% today. That's what can happen with some of these stocks. If you're not bringing out good numbers, if your guidance is kind of weak, like it was with Marvell, this is what's going to happen. You can expect that. Now, I'm going to just hold off on trading Marvell until it kind of consolidates and decides what it's going to do. But I did just want to put it on your radar. Now, I do want to say Sunday I'll be making another video, as you guys know. That will be the weekly watch list. I am traveling tomorrow, so hopefully I can prepare my watch list in time for Sunday. But yeah, that's what I'll be trying to get to you, as always. Once again, if you want to take your trading, your technical trading and overall trading to the next level, check out the Stock Option Starter Pack. That is a group of 10 videos. You have access to those for life. The link is in the description below. It's the second link in the description below. It actually launched 3 years ago, yesterday. So check that one out. Then, speaking of launching products, we launched a new product yesterday. That is the bet slips. Now, we have a guy who's just joined the Discord. He's ready to bring in the bets, show you guys the betting game, and take your 10, 15, 20 bucks to maybe 50, maybe 100, maybe 700, maybe 0. Who knows? But yeah, come and check out the Discord because now we've got that section as well. So if you're already in the Discord, check out the betting slips section. That's going to be live. We're going to be making sure that that's active as well and making some money as well, just like the stock section and the crypto sections. And of course, as I'm speaking of the Discord, you guys know where I'm at each and every day, the Royal Trading Academy. That's where we have the breakdowns, we have live trading, we have the call outs, we have everything. I'm going to put it on the screen. We really have everything in that Discord. So make sure you come and check out the Discord because that's one place you don't want to miss out on what's going on because we are turning it up there. As always, guys, make sure you drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on the video. And if you need help with anything, just shoot me a DM on any platform, Twitter, Instagram, X, TikTok, whatever. But you guys know the deal. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it from me. I've got money to making. You got money to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.